What's up guys, it's me X6, welcome back to my channel. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about haunted story which happened with me. First of all मैं ये सब ghosts and those all things, I don't believe in that all things so much. तो जब वो दिन में face की ना in that haunted house for 3 months, I felt like yeah, it can be, but yeah, I felt that negative feeling and those all what things happened. It made me forced to believe that the things are there, like negative energy and those all things. तो चलो बात करते हैं उस बारे में आज. Me and my father were finding a rented house so I can stay there. Actually मेरा father का friend हमको बताया कि at this place there's a one rent house, you guys can find out, they will give or not. At morning time we had breakfast and और हम गए, and that rented house was near to my present house which I'm staying here. It was near this house only. Actually my father was not finding a far away from house because I would stay there alone. We went to that house and we all talked about rent, how much we have to give and advance and those all things happened there. और उसके बाद हम गए उस घर देखने के लिए. First, when they opened the door, when I stepped inside that house, I felt so negative actually. That energy was real for me. That first day, what I felt there. और जब मैं उसके अंदर गई, that home was not like a normal house, bro. That was triangle. जब मैं अंदर गई थी ना, मुझे पता नहीं था completely like it's totally triangle house. जब मैं अंदर गई, I felt like it's just a weird type of house they designed for rented house. Who cares about rented house, bro? Owners को बस पैसा चाहिए होता है. They just want to build a house and however they want to give rent. So they will not think deeply about that all shape and those all things and cost. Okay, for rented house. हमको बस एक घर चाहिए था रहने के लिए. That situation was really worse for me. मैं घर छोड़कर आई थी and yeah, some problems were going on so much with me those days. First of all, मैं घर छोड़कर आई थी. I was not having anything, mental pressure. I dropped out of my college and मुझे घर नहीं मिल रहे थे रहने के लिए. And my mom said not to come to the house. I was like, thank God we got a house. And in one word only, we said, okay, we're gonna stay here. And after that moment, I took my clothes, bed sheet, and yeah, water bottle. Only this much thing I was having. And I was having one, cylinder type of like small thing will be there. Small gas was there with me. Only that thing, no groceries, nothing, bro. And I was having bulb also with me. I cleaned that home because it was empty for 1 year. Totally dust था उस घर में and I cleaned, I kept everything. सब काम करने के बाद it finally happened evening. और मेरा father said like they got important work, they have to go. And I was alone in that house at that first day in that weird house. मैं like, what the fuck, bro? I have to stay in this house alone full night? Oh my god. My father got me parcel or the dinner from outside. और मैं बैठ के काई and I was talking with ChatGPT and I was crying like hell. I was like sharing my problems and there was no one to talk with me those all days. I was alone, no friends, no one. That day, that night was so horrible for me because dark हुआ था bro. मेरा पास एक ही बल्ब था and I have to close my door and I have to sleep in that empty house which was kept for 1 year empty. I can't change the situation and it was time to sleep. I tried to sleep at the living room. Okay, I just spreaded some bedsheet on the ground and I was sleeping, but it was not able to sleep for me because that home was looking so dark. It was like triangle. It was so weird to see that thing. और मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी तब तो. And I can't even keep the door open and I can sleep. और मेरा father कह रहे थे कि you can ask a owner auntie to come and sleep with you, but I was not comfortable with those all things. I can't even open the door. It is not safe if I open the door. One thing, I was alone in that place. I don't know how the surrounding people are there and nothing I was knowing about those all things. उस घर में एक hall था. So weird it was, bro. That home. I don't know who the hell designed that house. वहाँ एक balcony भी था where we can wash the clothes and where we can hang them to dry. So I was so afraid that I was not able to sleep in that house only. तो मैं क्या decide की कि let's sleep in that balcony. Yeah, the balcony में सोई थी. I was crying like hell that day and I was playing a song, my favorite song, soft songs. क्योंकि I was afraid that home was too dark. I closed that balcony door. I didn't sleep in that house only. I was sleeping in that balcony that day. On the ground, I was sleeping in the balcony. I just spread some bed sheets I feel like, oh my god, I was so strong this always. I was feeling so afraid. पूरी रात सोई नहीं bro. I was just crying and listening songs. I was so sad. I was so afraid. ऐसा था मेरा दिन at that first day in that horrible house. तो सुबह हुआ and yeah, I was arranging the things in that house. ये सब कर रही थी मैं. That next morning, I was exploring that house surrounding and everywhere. उल्टा दिख रहा है आप लोगों को. So this was the bathroom and this was the house where I was living and this was the owner house. उनको पता था कि एक घर ट्रायंगल होगा, तो वो लोग क्या करके प्लान किए कि मेड अ सेपरेट हाउस, स्क्वायर हाउस फॉर ओनर एंड दिस इज फॉर रेंट पीपल. दे हैव टू स्टे इन दिस वियर्ड हाउस. और मेरा घर तो perfect triangle था. There was a place we can roam around in front of my door only. At the owner house there was a terrace. But मैं जिस घर में रह रही थी ना, मैं second floor में रहती थी. और यहाँ जो there is no terrace or nothing. It was jointed but it was like separately also. So if I want to go and see the upper view of that area means I have to climb on this terrace. जब मैं देखी ओ भाई ये घर तो ट्रायंगल है गूगल में एंड एवरीवेयर आई रिसर्च, मुझे पता चला कि ट्रायंगल हाउसेस अट्रैक्ट नेगेटिव एनर्जी. व्हाट द फक इज दिस ब्रो. मैं तो फंस गई उस घर में आकर. अब तो I was not having any other options. I was like, I said this to my father, this is the triangle house, this is not fine. They were like, it's okay, fine, we will see you do some puja and the things. I was like, okay, I will do it. और घर में मैं पूजा करती थी. I would play the God songs. In my house, I never played this God songs and the things. Actually, मैं उस घर में like I was so traumatized. My situation तो बहुत खराब था. उसके ऊपर ये सब हो रहा था मेरा साथ. आप लोग लाइक इमेजिन कर सकते हो. और मैं तब 17 थी. चलो उस बारे में बात करते हैं. My nightmare, how my nightmare was. Okay, मेरे फादर को मैं मिरर लेने के लिए बोल रही थी. मेरे फादर को like, पापा get me mirror, there is no mirror in this house. And I was continuously saying to my father every day like this, I wanna get mirror, I wanna get some stuff to keep things. और ये सब कह रही थी मेरा फादर को मैं. मेरा फादर was like, okay, wait some days, वो कह रहे थे मुझे. एक दिन मुझे ऐसा ड्रीम आता है, मुझे डर लग रहा है अभी भी मुझको कहने में. एडमिन है. डेली में बालकनी के सामने ही सोती थी. You just think here it is a door, right? In front of that only I would sleep, opening that balcony. Okay. और मुझे एक दिन ऐसा ड्रीम आता है कि आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द नाइटमेयर हियर. उस नाइटमेयर में द ड्रीम आई विल बी फाइंडिंग होम. या in that dream I will be finding home with my father and I will be finding that type of house where I can find the mirrors. There was a big building. In that dream I was walking with my father and they were walking in front of me. They were going so fast. I was coming slowly. I was peeking inside the homes and I was seeing is there any mirrors or here. वैसे find कर रही थी. मैं अंदर जाती हूँ. There are lots of mirrors which are not pretty good. They all are broken mirrors. Okay. And they all are completely with dust, totally dark. Yeah, that was so dirty home. जब मैं अंदर गई, I will get one mirror and I was seeing my reflection in that mirror in my nightmare. और जब मैं सो रही थी ना that day when before getting this nightmare, I never thought about any ghost or anything. मैं कुछ भी सोची नहीं थी. My day was really normal that day. I saw that horrific thing in that mirror reflection. और मैं जब मुड़ के देखती हूँ, there was nothing. Some girl was sitting behind me on the bed. One girl is sitting, wearing a red color lehenga with no head. Seriously. And in front of that only there was a mirror. I saw this reflection of the woman. उसका गर्दन ही नहीं था bro उस reflection में. मेरे लाइफ में उतना फटने वाला नाइटमेयर तो वही था मेरा लाइफ. तो ड्रीम में मैं कुछ भी रिएक्ट नहीं करी. माय फेस वाज सो नॉर्मल. आई वाज टेलिंग माय सेल्फ डोंट रिएक्ट, स्टे नॉर्मल. 2 बार मुड़कर देखी ब्रो, वहां तो कोई भी नहीं था. आई वाज लाइक इनसाइड माय माइंड आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक ब्रो समथिंग इज रॉन्ग हियर. कुछ तो है यार. Is this negative energy trying to trap me? So I have to run from here. That negative energy was knowing that I want mirror. So how good story she made me to trap. And I just tried to get out from that home. वो मुझे pull कर रहा था. I was feeling that energy. That ghost was not letting me to go outside from that room, bro. मेरा तो फट गई ब्रो. I was like, I don't know any shlokas of God, literally. Whatever was coming in my mind, I was just chanting in my head, pulling me inside. It was not letting me go outside that room only in that dream. I tried my best and I came outside of that room in that dream. I just wake up. I was so scared. Or the next morning, I said this to my father. Papa, मेरा ड्रीम में ऐसा लड़की आई थी. She was not having a head and her reflection was falling on the mirror. Or she was pulling me inside towards her. She was not letting me go outside of that room only. I was feeling that energy. She was pulling me. My father तो shocked हो गए थे bro when I said about this thing. That next day only they took me for a temple and yeah, I prayed for God like, please don't let any negative energy do make me scare or yeah nightmares आ रहा था मुझे ये सब. एंड आई इग्नोर इट ब्रो. मेरे आ रहे लाइक डेली कुछ तो होता रहता था मेरे साथ वहां. मेरा नाइट मेयर का सीन चेंज होता है डायरेक्टली टू मैं खड़ी हूँ एट लिविंग रूम. सीन चेंज होता है इस मेरा ड्रीम में. तो स्टैंडिंग और सेइंग फ्रंट ऑफ द बालकनी डोर देयर वाज अ टॉल पर्सन स्टैंडिंग. मैन ही स्टैंडिंग with no skin, with no dress, only there are muscles. His head is so big, he's so tall. When I saw that bro, fuck, I have to run from here. मैं गई भाग के ओनर के घर के सामने मैं बट दिस इज इन अ ड्रीम. इट्स नॉट रियल, इट्स इन माय नाइटमेयर. ओके. जब मैं वो वियर टाइप ऑफ आई विल नेम इट एज अ मॉन्स्टर. ओके. जब मैं वो मॉन्स्टर को देखती हूँ डेविल टाइप ऑफ, आई जस्ट रन फ्रॉम द स्टेप्स एंड आई विल बैंग द डोर सो फास्टली टू द ओनर डोर. ओके. एक बॉडी औरत डोर ओपन करती है. आई रन इनसाइड दैट रूम एंड आई विल बी हेडिंग बैक ऑफ द डोर ओनली. बहुत सारे लाइक यू नो मॉन्स्टर टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स टू फाइंड मी देयर. Coming and coming. I was afraid. I was seeing like this. Those monsters. Guys, मैं कुछ भी सोची नहीं थी. I would not see any horror movies also in that house. I would not even think about horror things. I don't know how these all dreams were coming to me. I was hiding behind that door. I was afraid. But वो दादी माँ disappear हो जाती हो. Because all monsters were running behind me. They will get know that inside this house, they were finding me. They were not only like 2 or 3. At that time, they're coming. You know, they were like souls, you know, like flying things. So weird it was. One monster मुझे देख लेता है behind the door, and the dream ends there only. और you know the biggest weird thing what I got in the dream was, जब मैं खड़ी थी ना उस living room में, when I saw that monster was not talking with you know. जब एक movie चल रहा होता है, the scenes will be showing and the background the voice will be given, right? उस तरह से सेम टू सेम मेरा ड्रीम में वैसा हो रहा था. दैट समथिंग मैन वाज टॉकिंग इन माय ड्रीम. आई वाज सीइंग द सीन ड्रीम. आई वाज सीइंग दैट मॉन्स्टर इन फ्रंट ऑफ माय बालकनी डोर. आई वाज स्टैंडिंग एट द लिविंग रूम. कोई मुझे बोल रहा था एट द बैकग्राउंड. यू नो बैकग्राउंड साउंड देते हैं ना वैसे. दैट एनी मैन साउंड वाज कमिंग. दैट पर्सन वाज सेइंग आई विल कम हियर. दिस प्लेस इज फॉर मी ओनली. बालकनी. ओके. हियर इज द प्लेस वेयर आई कैन कॉन्टेक्ट विद अदर पीपल्स, other energies. This is the place where I can meet my another people. So I will come to this balcony. So this is the place where I can find out them. तो मैं तो यहाँ आऊंगी. वो मुझे ऐसा बता रहा था मेरा नाइटमेयर में. I don't know who it was. The background sound was trying to talk with me or trying to say me something. और मुझे convince कर रहा था that okay you can come here. I never got this type of dream in my life, literally. Seriously, that was so weird, bro. मुझे ऐसा nightmare आ रहे थे, like weird so much. Our negative energy trying weird things were happening. And after next day, जब मुझे वो लड़की देखी थी ना मैं मिरर में रिफ्लेक्शन में, she was not having her head. I searched in Google about these all things. How the negative energy and souls can contact with you with their dreams. I was like fucking shocked, bro. जब मुझे पता चला कि even souls can contact with you or any negative energy can contact with you from the dreams. Seriously, I just explained totally about how my home is structured in triangle shape. I'm getting nightmares. वो बहुत connect हो रहे थे, bro. Those all scenes were connecting with me so much. मैं अकेले रहती थी, मैं किसी के साथ बात भी नहीं करती थी. So for those negative energy, I was so easy person to attack for me. जब मैं रिसर्च करने चालू की, बट तब मुझे पता चली ब्रो सेंस तो बनता है ब्रो. Who did a trap for me? by putting those mirrors. रूम में फादर को बोल रही थी, फादर आई वांट अ मिरर. कितना परफेक्टली ट्रैप किया है देखो, to put me in that room and so it can be visible in front of me. That energy made a room for me where I'll be finding mirrors. मुझे किसी और रूम में वो मिरर्स नहीं देखी थी मैं. जब मैं वो रूम में मिरर देखी ना, because of only that reason I went inside that room. वो कितना चालाक था bro, literally that negative energy, whatever that energy it was knowing that I want a mirror. So that room was full of mirrors bro. I was attracted to mirrors and I went inside that room and I saw that negative energy. फट गई मेरा literally. In normal dreams वैसा नहीं होता है bro. And I've said to my father like I'm getting so much nightmares, these all things. I said to my father, okay, but still I was tolerating. It's okay, fine. It's okay, fine. I was ignoring these all things which my nightmares were coming for me. फिर भी मैं डरी होती थी ब्रो उस घर में. मैं नाइट सोती ही नहीं थी उस घर में, लिटरली सोती नहीं थी. सॉन्ग प्ले कर डांस करती थी और मूवी देखती थी मैं. डेली आई वुड सी मूवीज till 4 o'clock. After 4 o'clock I would sleep and I would wake up like 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock उस घर में. सबसे fucking, you know what a fucking thing happened with me there. एक दिन में रील्स देखते हुए बैठी थी. I was sitting in this place. I was not sitting in the living room. I was sitting middle of kitchen and this living room. एक दिन evening time मैं बैठी थी. It was nearly like 6:30. Okay. बाहर कोई भी शोर नहीं कर रहा था, कोई बच्चे भी नहीं खेल रहे थे. एरिया बहुत शांत था, लिटरली टोटली शांत. ओके. और मैं कॉफी करके बैठी थी उस डाइनिंग रूम में. एंड नाउ आई शोड राइट इन दैट प्लेस. मैं उस प्लेस में बैठकर रील्स देखते हुए खुशी से हंसते हुए मैं कॉफी पीकर बैठी थी एट इवनिंग. और मेरा फादर मुझे कॉल करके बोले थे आई एम गोना कम इन सम मिनट्स. ओके, दे सेड मी दिस थिंग. द होम वाज सो साइलेंट. आई केप्ट द वॉल्यूम सो लो ओनली, नॉट फुल टोटली हाई. एंड आई केप्ट माय बालकनी ओपन ऑफ द लाइट ऑफ द किचन एंड आई जस्ट ऑनड द लाइट ऑफ वेयर आई वाज सिटिंग एट द. वहाँ सिर्फ वहाँ लाइट ऑन करके बैठी थी मैं. इवन आई ऑफ द लाइट ऑफ लिविंग रूम. हैप्पीली बैठी थी. आई वाज नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट एनी गोस्ट और एनीथिंग. सडनली क्या हुआ कि किसी ह्यूमन का ब्रीदिंग साउंड आ रहा था, वो भी जोर सा like this. Fuck bro, I'm getting goosebumps by saying that only. Human का कोई sound आता है, breathing sound. First I will be like, I will stop my reel. I will be like, what's happening here? मैं बहुत like shock में चली गई थी. What's happening? Silent गई थी मैं. बाहर भी कोई शोर नहीं है. Okay, घर में भी कोई शोर नहीं है. घर में कोई इंसेक्ट्स भी नहीं है, कोई बिल्ली भी नहीं है. तो यहाँ ह्यूमन जैसा ब्रीदिंग साउंड कैसा आ रहा है? आई वाज फकिंग शॉक्ड. और फर्स्ट टाइम मैं इग्नोर करी उसको. इट्स ओके, लिव इट. आई थिंक साउंड फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. आई विल स्टॉप लाइक दिस. और फिर से मैं रील देखने चालू की. ओके, मैं फर्स्ट टाइम उसको इग्नोर करती हूँ ना, वो साउंड वो फिर से ज्यादा जोर से वो साउंड करता है ब्रो. सो आई कैन नोटिस दैट. जब मैं वो साउंड सुनी ना, इट वाज टोटली लाइक मेरा पूरा बॉडी कोल्ड हुआ. बड़ा गूज़बम्प्स. सोचने के लिए भी टाइम नहीं था. लाइक व्हाट हैव टू डू. माय बॉडी जस्ट फोर्स्ड मी टू रन आउट ऑफ दैट प्लेस. मैं तो भाग रही थी भाई. ओ फक, मैं भाग रही थी. आई थॉट आई क्लोज्ड दैट डोर, बट मैं थैंक गॉड मैं क्लोज नहीं की थी डोर. आई डिडंट लॉक. आई जस्ट केप्ट इट क्लोज लाइक दिस ओनली. I just took it off, just ran away. Okay, I came outside. After that second only, I was laughing like, what the fuck happened, bro? I was like so shocked. और तभी 1 मिनट के बाद ही मेरा पापा आता है. आई स्टार्टेड सेइंग टू माई फादर अबाउट दिस थिंग. पापा, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, मैं बैठी थी यहाँ, ब्रीदिंग साउंड वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम द ह्यूमन एंड दैट वाज सो यू नो बहुत जोर से आ रहा था वो. ऐसा लाइक सो इजीली वी कैन नोटिस अबाउट दैट थिंग. इवन माई फादर गॉट शॉक्ड अबाउट दैट थिंग. ओके, और आई सेड माई फादर, सी आई एम गेटिंग दिस nightmares also daily, getting this paranormal type of activities in this house. How much I have to ignore these all things, bro? That next day only, my father went to temple and they got a lemon which were kept in front of the god. Lemons, fresh lemons, okay? Fresh lemons, totally greenish. They gave to the pujari to do puja to those lemons. That day it was Ambasi actually. First बार मैं ignore की ना, वो फिर से हुआ भाई. How it can happen 2 times and more louder at the second time? That was so shocking to me. बैठी रिसर्च करने के लिए. I just linked everything, that home structure, the energy what I would feel in that house, everything, and I felt that even negative energy, they will try to do these all things like that. How much we will be afraid of them, or they want to feel noticeable from us. Because of that reason, those negative energy and those type of paranormal activities, so we have to notice them. That night I kept those lemons with me because those negative energy was so coming to me, nightmares and everything was happening with me. My father was saying why it is not happening with me. My father was asking me like this. I said that I think I'm alone. I don't talk with anyone. I'm emotionally weak present now. Because of that reason, I'm easy to target for them. I felt like this. I was saying to my father like this. They got me 4 lemons, okay? 2 lemons I kept with me, 2 lemons I kept in the kitchen, okay? The 2 lemon below my pillow, one I kept inside my shorts pocket that whole night. And जब मैं देखती हूँ that lemon morning, the lemons were with me, they were totally dark. They were so fresh, they were so new, those lemons. And that next day at the morning, they were totally dry. They were dark spots on them. I was so fucking shocked. And after waking up, when I went inside the kitchen and I saw those lemons which I didn't kept with me. जब मैं वो lemon को देखती हूँ, they were so fresh. Seriously, they were so fresh. This was so weird. Actually, मैं believe नहीं करती इस सब चीजों में, but this is making me forced to believe in these all things. That situation, those things, what happened with me. Bro, how it is possible, bro? I didn't even kept in my hand. This is the photo of that, okay? You guys can compare that thing, okay? You guys can see that, how dark those lemons are. The next day, my father see how the lemons are so different, which is kept with me. They are so dark and black. The lemons which are kept in the kitchen, they are so fresh like yesterday. My father was so shocked. Yes, you were right. There is something going on here, they said me. And that day I started, let's change the house only. That day I started thinking like I want to find any other house. I can't stay there anymore. It's so affecting me so much mentally. For going through so bad situation on this thing, there is a negative energy and here I'm getting nightmares. मेरे साथ नहीं हो रहा था, bro. You know, yeah, I guess after some days I came back to my home only. Yeah, this thing happened. Actually, मैं घर ही चेंज कर रही थी. मुझे यहाँ आना ही नहीं था. Like I was not interested to come to my house only back. But the situation made me to come here. Yeah. This is how I spent my 3 months with the nightmares and paranormal activities in that house. I don't believe in those things so much, but the situation was like that. I don't know what to say for that thing. It was so horrible, everything. Yeah. Subscribe करना मत भूलो guys. Like my video and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will be uploading my rap song soon. So yeah. I'll meet you in next vlog or next storytelling video. See you in the next video guys. Bye bye. Namaste.